The winter weather is battering local infrastructure. In the town of Evans, crews have been working to repair several water mains. Our Patrick Ryan has more.
The Erie County Water Authority has been staying busy. This morning, Town of Evans Emergency Services posting online that there were 6 water main breaks overnight. We spotted crews working on Route 5 near Commercial Street with an excavator. About 2 miles away, it was a similar scene on Wilson Road between Lakeshore and Lakeside Roads. Town of Evans Emergency Services taking to Facebook to say that if you woke up without water, there's a reason. They said in part that 6 water mains broke overnight. An Erie County Water Authority spokesperson issued a statement to News 4 just after 11 o'clock this morning. That person saying crews are on site and making repairs. They said water service was anticipated to be restored in the next few hours. Just yesterday, Evans Emergency Services posted about water main breaks, saying that Old Man Winter is really committing to the bit this year. Lakeshore Schools closed its middle and high schools yesterday because of the water main breaks. Water pressure was since restored and students were back in the classroom today. University at Buffalo assistant professor Andrew Fahn spoke with us generally about the effect cold weather can have on water mains.
Low temperature will make the pipes more rigid, meaning that they are more fragile and less flexible. And on the other side, that the low temperature will cause the soil to expand and then apply an additional, and then the deformation of the soil will kind of like trying to change the deformation of the pipes. And as a result, the pipes is getting like more pressure. Or more stress on the surface of it.
And in Buffalo, Old Man Winter has been beating up water mains, most recently at the Hurdle Avenue and Military Road intersection. There, water was up to vehicle door handles, and people were rescued on a raft. Reporting, Patrick Ryan, News 4.